What drives real estate to be one of the most powerful engines of wealth creation? It isn't just the numbers on a sales sheet, nor the skyline's relentless evolution. It's the promise of ownership, a chance to claim a personal stake in our community's future. Today, let's break down the fundamental dynamics that make real estate so impactful, whether you're a first-time buyer or a seasoned investor. Real estate is grounded in three pillars: location, market cycles, and strategic investment. First, location isn't just geography, it's proximity to opportunity. A home near quality schools or public transportation can transform from a place to live into a springboard for generational progress. Second, market cycles teach us both patience and foresight. Prices fluctuate, but informed buyers watch for patterns, knowing when to seize the moment and when to hold back. Lastly, strategic investment isn't only about buying and selling. It's about transforming spaces, adding value through thoughtful renovations, and creating vibrant neighborhoods that thrive. Imagine you're considering your next move. Is it the starter home that sets the foundation for family security, or the commercial property that powers a local business? Each real estate decision is a balancing act between vision and discipline, risk and possibility. So the next time you pass a for sale sign, reflect on what's truly at stake. Real estate is not just property, it's potential. It demonstrates how individual choices ripple outward, shaping lives and landscapes alike. When you approach real estate with knowledge and intent, you unlock a future defined not by chance, but by choice.